Now, San Diego's most accurate forecast. This is 10 News Pinpoint Weather.
Well, turned into a nice sunny day today. At least we have that to look forward to.
It was so pretty. And Angelica Campos is looking out all the windows of her beautiful home to give us the forecast. You've been busy today with rain and activity in the mountains.
That's right. We had a trace of snow in Palomar Mountain. We had some pretty heavy rain in Oceanside, about half an inch. And look at that. Right now, it is just crystal clear, at least in downtown San Diego. You can see the conditions are going to stay nice and quiet into most of the overnight hours, and eventually we'll be tracking rain. So the breakdown, 62 degrees downtown, the winds coming out of the northwest with a winter weather advisory in effect until at least 11 p.m. on Thursday. It'll begin tomorrow at 5 a.m. So for anyone who does have to commute in the morning, be ready. There's going to be some periods of heavy rain as this energy that's sitting over the ocean moves over Baja and eventually brings rain. In our futurecast, you can actually see the timing there overnight, just like last night, a little bit later, and then it will continue through tomorrow morning. We're expecting to see those showers streaming through the county, again with some periods of heavier rainfall for tomorrow. Most places will average with about a quarter of an inch, but there's going to be another round of rain in the afternoon into Thursday and more snow for our mountains. So pretty unsettled conditions. The breakdown, rain tonight, tomorrow, and then as we go into later in the weekend, also another round of rain. So it seems like it's not ending anytime soon. The outlook is going to keep it wet overnight into tomorrow morning. Thursday also rounds of rain, cooler temperatures, gusty conditions, and snow for our mountains. Between 4,000 and 5,000 feet, we'll see anywhere from a trace to 2 inches of snow. And then as far as rainfall accumulating tonight through Thursday, a quarter of an inch to half an inch for coastal areas, valleys, of course, our mountains could see more than that. And you can see it in our futurecast, how much rain we're expecting around the county. Temperatures tonight will be in the 40s. It'll be a cold night, which means it'll be a cold morning, too, with that rain, just making that combo not a good one. 59 degrees tomorrow on average in Poway with rain picking up. And then our 10 News Pinpoint 7-day forecast. Ongoing showers Wednesday morning, jumping ahead of myself here. And then Thursday, 60 degrees with more rain. Friday, we officially start spring with plenty of sunshine. Beautiful weather to start off the weekend, and then more showers Sunday into next week. That means every weekend in the month of March, we've had rain somewhere in the county. Back to you guys.